Though women are still more dissatisfied than men when it comes to their size, a new study reveals that women's views of their bodies are softening over the years. Researchers found that women's feelings about how thin they are have improved significantly over time. On average, women's dissatisfaction dropped 3.3 points. Study author Brian Kratzia is an associate professor of psychology at the College of Worcester and says that statistically the drop is substantial. According to Health.com, there are several theories as to the cause of this trend towards greater self-acceptance. One is that Americans, on average, are much larger than they used to be. As such, people are more comfortable with their own size. A second theory is that the media is beginning to provide more realistic images of women, such as Dove's ads featuring a diversity of women's shapes and sizes. Finally, there may be a trend towards being lean and toned rather than merely thin.